Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn on one-handed keyboard on iPhone running iOS version 13.6. Okay, so this is my iPhone device and I have iOS version 13.6 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my settings app and then let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys, here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 13.6 installed on this iPhone XR. Okay, so let me go back. Let me close the settings app. Okay, so let's start. So let me open my messages app. Let me create a new message. Okay, let me write the two. Let me tap on this plus button. Let me tap on this contact. Okay, let me tap on this text message. Okay, and you can see guys, I have this normal keyboard. Okay, so it's not one-handed keyboard. So let me show you how you can enable that. Okay, so let me go back. So in order to turn on one-handed keyboard, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened, and after that you have to tap on this general. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys, here we have this keyboard. Just tap on this keyboard. Okay, and you can see guys, here we have this one-handed keyboard. You can see currently it's off, so just tap on this one-handed keyboard, and you can see here we have three options: off, left and right. Okay, so currently this off one is selected. You can see the check mark next to this off. Okay, so suppose if you want to select this left, what you need to do, you have to tap on this. Okay, and you can see guys, the left is now selected. Okay, and suppose guys, if you want this one-handed keyboard on the right side, you just need to tap on this. Okay, right. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now selected. But I want this one-handed keyboard on the left side, so let me tap on this left. You can see it's now selected. So after that you can close your settings app. So let me close this. Let me open my messages app. Okay, and you can see guys, I have this keyboard, this one-handed keyboard on the left side. Okay, so it's now turned on. And suppose guys, if you want to go back to your previous normal keyboard, then here we have this arrow button. Okay, so just tap on this arrow and you will be back to your normal keyboard. Okay, so this is the first method by which you can enable one-handed keyboard on your iPhone. So let me show you the second method. Okay, so in order to turn on one-handed keyboard by using second method on your iPhone, what you need to do, you have to bring up your keyboard, and here we have this globe icon. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to tap and hold on this globe icon. So let me tap and hold on this until this menu comes. Okay guys, and you can see currently I have this keyboard selected, that is the normal one. So suppose if you want one-handed keyboard, okay, on the right side, you need to select this. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now selected. And whenever you want to go back, just tap on this arrow. So let me tap on this, and you can see we are now at normal keyboard. So let me tap and hold on this again, this globe icon, and you can see I have this menu. Suppose if I want this option, okay, the one-handed keyboard on the left side, so let me tap on this, and you can see we have this keyboard. Again, if you want to go back, just tap on this arrow. So let me tap on this, and you can see we are on this normal keyboard. Okay, and also guys, let me show you one setting. So just tap and hold on this globe icon. Let me tap and hold on this until this menu comes, and here we have this keyboard settings. So if I tap on this keyboard settings, you can see we are on this keyboard's screen. Okay, and here we have this one-handed keyboard. Okay, you can just tap on this and choose the option that you want. Okay guys, so I want this one-handed keyboard on the left side, so let me tap on this left in order to select that. You can see it's now selected, and after that just close your settings app. So let me close this. Let me open my messages app, and you can see guys, the keyboard, this one-handed keyboard on the left side. Okay, so that's it guys. In this way you can easily turn on one-handed keyboard on iPhone running iOS version 13.6. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.